you think?
About what?
The bus.
I love the bus, except it's come up short.
Yeah.
It feels that way. I don't know what to do except just fix it. Anyone's fault. I don't think this is anyone's fault in the sense that they wanted this to happen or hoped it happened or thought it would happen. It's just happening. And I gotta stay in the just happening because I already went through the whole thing of it's not fair and this is bullshit and it's a lemon and all that stuff. But none of that makes it right. It doesn't fix it. It doesn't get us back on the road. It doesn't do any of that stuff.
I know, but I'm frustrated because I feel like, you know, this is all meant to be for a cause.
Yeah, but this is a learning process. It's all about learning about life. It can't be separated and compartmentalized into this thing and that thing and that thing because life is not that way. It's integrated. It's all weavy. It's in and out. It's one day it's fantastic, next day it sucks. Or you get a whole month where everything is great and then you get a shitty day. I mean, that's not bad. I keep thinking about the homeless that we passed on the 405 North, people who live in homeless encampments. These people they're not even really homeless, they're displaced. Nobody cares about them. You know, I don't live in that reality. I live in the reality where a lot of people care about me and I have a home, this is my home. I have family who care about me, I have lots of great things and I'm not gonna let some engine thing in a bus Stuff happens. Life is 1% what happens to you and 99% how you react. Right now, somebody is told, a doctor has told somebody they have a month to live. How can this even come close to comparing to that? Yeah. It doesn't. No. Somebody's kid just died. How does this compare to that? It doesn't. Somebody is trapped in a motel room right now, shooting heroin. How does this compare to that right now? It doesn't. It doesn't compare. We can deal with this. We will deal with this. It's a bus engine. I don't care about Good Morning Sacramento. I'm not gonna freak out because I can't make that because it's not my fault I can't make it because we have a bus issue. Hopefully we'll make it. Maybe we'll get to the RV park at 11 p.m. tomorrow night. I don't know. But I'm not going to freak out about it. I'm going to go somewhere and have dinner with my family. That's what I'm going to do.
Because we can.
Yeah, we get to do that. We get to be together. We get to love each other. We get to hang out together. We get to go through the tough times and the good times. We had a really good run at Calamigos Ranch. Are you kidding? Did this piss me off? Yeah, of course. First reaction? Yeah, I'm pissed. This sucks. And then I just was like, I kept thinking how embarrassing that was a thought. I'm like, this is so embarrassing. Oh my God. Ego just gets in there and it's like it wants to get in there and just mess with you and just make you worry about what everybody else thinks and all of that stuff. And it's just absolutely a waste of time. And it hurts. And I'm not interested in that. I'm not interested in that track. I've done that track so many times. So many times.
So what's the plan then?
The plan is whatever we have to do to get back on the road for this thing to be working good. I'm cautiously optimistic that it's not a huge thing. That's just my thought. It's not a complicated engine. It doesn't need a computer because it's very simple. So that's a good thing. I would be fearful if there was a plug-in where the guy could plug it in. That would scare me. A computer, no. I don't think it's that complicated. I'm gonna remain in that cautiously optimistic place where it's like, this can be fixed. It's gonna cost whatever it's gonna cost, and then we're gonna be on our way. You know, that's it. Maybe in 24 hours from right now. I don't know.
Stay tuned, huh?
Yeah, stay tuned.
It's a new day today. We are going to soon find out what the verdict of the bus is, whether we can take the bus to Sacramento with us for the event tomorrow, which we're super excited about, or if we'll have to leave the poor bus here and drive in our car to Sacramento. Fingers crossed. What do we think is going to happen, Tim Harrington?
I don't know, but I honestly don't know.
But what do know? We do know that we got each other.
Yeah.
I am shifting my perception around what is going on, and I am trying so hard to surrender to the process. But maybe is that an oxymoron if I say trying so hard, if I'm trying to let go? No?
No, I don't think so.
Like, I don't know, it's that trying hard makes me feel like I'm doing that.
Okay. If you are doing that, stop it.
Okay. I'm going to try to stop it.
It's energy, remember? It's energy release.
I let go.
Because we're all made of energy.
I let go.
Yeah.
I let go. You witnessed that.
Perception that we are body is not right. We are energy. So
put your hands on the wheel. Put your hands on the wheel.
wheel.
Okay, let go. Let go. Stay tuned. We'll keep you posted.
It doesn't do that. Yeah. Right. Yep. Yep. Okay. Perfect. Process of elimination. Okay. Thanks. Bye.
What did he say?
He said it's not the fuel side.
Oh my God. So what are they going to do now?
They're going to, they can't test it, the turbo thing, they can't test that normally because we've built over where they would normally get into the engine, where our bed is and everything like that, so they can't get in the normal way, so they're going to do it the roundabout way, which is whatever way he said, which I don't understand.
Oh wait, didn't they say that they checked the turbo and there was nothing wrong with it?
No, I don't think so.
So what does that mean?
It just means they're going to do the turbo test and they're going to call us. That's it. That's all we can do. It's process of elimination. The hard part about our bus engine is that there's no computer. That's the good news and the bad news.
Why is it good news?
Well, what do you mean? It's a good news because it's still able to be fixed. It's just not as quick. Like, you can just plug in the new, I think it's 90, I don't even know the year where they put in an OBD or ODB or whatever it's called. And so,
well, I tell you what that means. No computer means ka-ching, 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 ka-ching.
no, actually,
ka-ching.
computer can mean $500 to $1,000 per sensor. That's what that guy was saying. Remember the funny guy who was driving our bus?
Yeah.
He was talking about the sensors. Yeah, so that's it. What's that? Do you have a particular question you would like to ask?
Yes, what's the update, Tim Harrington?
So the update is that the AROE wasn't functioning.
The what?
The AROE,
You know I'm going to be showing people this.
Oh, I didn't realize that. I thought that was just for our own.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me get serious for a second.
No, we don't need. We've had enough of your seriousness.
Oh, good. Okay, so what happened was the flux capacitor wasn't working.
The flux capacitor?
Yeah.
No,
that's what he said.
actuator.
Oh, actuator. So the actuator, whatever that is, seems to be malfunctioning. For all of you bus people out there, you know what we're talking about. The actuator was not moving the air around. We don't know what we're talking about, but the people who are working on it know. At Express Truck Service in Fresno, California, Jerry and Rob have been very helpful. Thank you guys. They have ordered a part, and by the time we get back from our event tomorrow in Sacramento, we will be able to pick up the bus.
Are you sure about that?